To service the control panel and dispenser mechanism, you must first remove the freezer door handle and, if present, custom door panel. Open the door to about 30 degrees and remove all of the screws securing the handle. Remove the freezer door handle. Also, slide out the custom panels if present. Remove the drip trays from the recess. Remove the two screws securing the lamp cover. Now grasp the control panel at the top left corner and firmly pull it away from the door. Disconnect the control panel wiring as well as the yellow wire harness for the room ambient air thermistor. Remove the two Phillips screws securing the dispenser lamp assembly. Remove the dispenser funnel by pulling outward. Remove the duct door by prying the right hinge pin to the left with a thin blade screwdriver as seen here. Remove these 4 screws to access the duct door motor cam assembly and micro switches. Unplug the Molex connector from the microswitch assembly. Should those switches fail, the duct door motor could continuously cycle, causing complaints of condensation, poor refrigeration, or icing in the freezer. The cam of the dispenser motor is notched to assist in the removal of the assembly. Turn the cam wheel by hand until the large lobe is facing outward. Using a thin-bladed screwdriver, pry the wheel off the shaft. Now remove these 2 screws for the dispenser motor bracket. The recess is part of the molded door assembly and cannot be replaced. This concludes this training video.